About this item: compatible micro USB and Type-C charge tablets and phones including Kindle Fire Tablet HD, HDX6 78 99 7 10 10.1 11 11.6 12 12.1 12.23 G4G LTE, GPZ45RW3 HT7G NM460 GZC9R6QMX43Z60 PW98 VMDP75 SDI SD4930 UR55-0006625-0006653-0000777A02710 and New Fire with Alexa, Paperwhite, Oasis, Voyage. Note: please note that this product is also compatible with New Fire HD10, 9th generation, 2019, New Fire HD 8,8 Plus Kids Edition, 10th generation, 2020 release. All listed Apple products are tested, approved and certified by UL, E342401, manufactured with the highest quality. Materials: built-in dynamic IC, charger IC, and power fuse. Provides overcharge protection system / short circuit / overload protection / overheat protection. Power specs: 5V2A, 5W9W10W power fast charger, USB charger, and power adapter replacement. Length of 5 feet, easy for charging on different occasion, for travel,